Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and app so nothing blocks progress. Charge the camera to at least 50% or plug it in. This prevents mid-setup shutdowns. Insert a compatible micro SD card and format it in the camera if required to ensure recording save. Then, download and open the Veo mobile app on your phone and make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled so the camera and app can detect each other quickly. Once done pairing, you'll configure core settings to match your workflow. Use the app to accept the Bluetooth pairing code and grant permissions. This links the camera to your account. Next, choose date and time, select video resolution and frame rate, and set storage options so files save to the micro SD or cloud as you prefer. If the app prompts for firmware updates, install them now and wait until they finish to avoid corrupting the device. You're at the finish line. Mount and validate. Attach the camera securely to its bracket or tripod, tighten fasteners, and adjust the angle to frame your subject. Record a short test clip to check exposure, focus, and audio-video sync. Review playback in the app. If something goes wrong, try a quick reboot of both devices, reformat the micro SD card, or unpair and repair the camera. Those steps fix most issues without specialist tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.